Airbus Helicopters has signed a MOU with Small Industries Development Bank of India for financing purchases of Airbus civil helicopters in India. Gujarat ATS has arrested 4 Sri Lankan nationals with ties to the Islamic State. DRDO's Central Scientific Instruments Organization is looking to procure head-up display Mark I NNP and bore sighting equipment for the Naval Light Combat Aircraft. SSS Defense developed 7.62 by 39 caliber P-72 rifle has been offered to Indian paramilitary forces. UP ATS has arrested a man working at the Goa shipyard naval base for sharing photographs of naval officers coming to the shipyard and even photos of warships with Pakistani spy agents. Bengaluru-based NextLeap Aeronautics has unveiled India's first tactical nano-UAV called Black Drongo UAV that weighs less than 250 grams. It is equipped with both visible and infrared cameras and can execute autonomous missions. While the discussions between HAL and General Electric for the F-414 local manufacturing continues, General Electric has confirmed that it will retain the intellectual property rights for the F-414 engine, and additionally, any export of fighter jets equipped with the F-414 engine will require export clearance from the United States. This condition underscores the strategic control retained by General Electric and the US government over the use and distribution of American defense technologies. India's Project-75I is running into fresh delays, as Spanish shipbuilder Navantia is encountering obstacles in fulfilling the criteria of a sea-proven air-independent propulsion system clause. To ensure fairness and avoid legal hurdles arising from a single vendor situation, the Indian government might delay Project-75I acquisition until Navantia develops the AIP technology, thereby maintaining a level playing field among the contenders. Nigeria has attracted interest from both China and India for a lucrative 15 fighter jets contract. China has offered the JF-17, and as Nigeria already operates 3 JF-17, making expansion with this platform seem like a familiar choice. However, India's offer goes beyond just the Tejas aircraft, and it includes a more attractive financial package, including a line of credit with significantly lower interest rates compared to China's typical 8% range for fighter jet deals. Munitions India Limited is gearing up for mass production of 1,000-pound Th-erm-obaric bombs, and this move comes after a successful initial delivery of 500 units to the Indian Air Force by the end of 2023. Drawing insights from the Ukraine conflict, Munitions India Limited and DRDO are also working on a glide kit that will allow it to glide up to 100 kilometers before striking its target, thus offering greater strategic flexibility and also minimizing risk to the delivering aircraft. Today's top 3 comments.